Okay, so today we're going for a mountain walk. And we've never been on this trip before, so I'm gonna bring you along with us and see where we end up. But yeah, so far it's looking cute. Okay, we have no idea where we're going, but I'm gonna go this way with the dog. Ah, charming. Wow. Okay, well, we just discovered that hill, and I got a feeling I went there when I was a kid to go sledging in the snow once, and I finally found it. So yeah, it'd be good to go back there one day when it is snowing. But it's just so cute around here, and this is a stone's throw from where we live. Love exploring our local area. Okay, the sun has just come out. Brilliant. Okay, somehow we've gone from walking in the mountains to painting the fences. Don't ask me how. Okay, so we've decided to come to Ikea, my favourite place, as we need a few organisational bits. So let's go and get them. Sharples. Okay, so we haven't come to look at kitchens, but we are in the process of looking for kitchens. So just having a little look at. Last time we were here, this room was black and red, and I said I hated it. They completely changed it, and I'm loving it. How nice! I love this sofa. Oh, it's expensive though, 1,399. Love it. Okay, so we got a bit hungry shopping. So we've stopped off at the Golden Arches before we go into M&S. They still got all the Christmassy stuff. Oh. Okay, there's not much here, guys, but last time I came there was loads of stuff. You can grab a garland. It's 25 quid. That's really good, actually. And it's 30% off. I think that's really good. Those garlands are £25. That's really good. I love M&S. It even tells you when your bananas are ready. Right, let's go for some cream ones. Okay, so we just got back from M&S, and we did have obviously a cheeky McDonald's. So we're just having some cheese and crackers. Got more cheese in the fridge. So yeah, it's been a good day. Okay, so I'm supposed to be having recording my YouTube video today, but instead I'm having a massive clear out. Honestly, the state on this place, I just worry that I've got too much stuff. I don't want to have too much stuff, because when we do the reno, where's it all gonna go? But yeah, I just came across some of these samples from Swift sofa. I want a new sofa so bad. But if you're watching this and you've got a Swift sofa, please let me know what you think about it, because they are expensive, so they are a big investment. Or if you can recommend me where you get your sofas from. I like this pumice colour. Pumice. like a pumice stone, because obviously we need this kind of like rough texture because we've got a dog and he is always wet and dirty and gross. But yeah, if you can, oh, look at my hair. If you could let me know where you got your sofa from, that would be very much helpful. But yeah, I'm going to crack on sorting all this out. Oh. Okay, so yesterday we went to Asda. We got some wrapping paper. I'm also going to be putting one of the little hampers in these cardboard boxes and then wrapping them with the wrapping paper. It's such an easy way to get a small hamper, because sometimes when you buy the big hampers you struggle to fill them without spending a fortune. So just a little box that's going to be a hamper, and that's what I'm going to be doing on today's lunch hour. Okay, so one thing I have done finally is set up my green screen. So I'm going to start doing YouTube videos from here with my ring light, and I'll pop my camera, which is there. I'm just on my phone at the moment, and I'll be able to film green screen videos. So whenever I'm talking about photos and things, I can put them in the background rather than just overlays, just to add that extra bit of excitement to my videos. So I am trying, guys. But yeah, that's what I've been up to recently, just popping that up. I cleared all this space. I need to clear out these two necks. I'm probably going to upcycle them and then just sell them, because at the moment they are honestly housing utter crap. So they need to go. Okay, so I've just done a little bit of wrapping. And I think I'm done for tonight. I'm so tired. So I'm going to have a decaf tea, some Cadbury's, Heroes or Celebrations or whatever, and chill out. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying these vlogs, and yeah, I'm gonna keep doing them just because I feel like you get to know me a little bit better, and if you guys comment down below and let me know what you enjoy, then I can get to know you guys better and what you want to see. So yeah, thank you for watching my vlog once again. I know it's not that exciting, but hey, I'll see you in the next one.